Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. So we have the formula in here. So secant of x to the power of 4, that is about secant of x where everything to the power of 2. So number 1, that is about 1 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. So tan x squared multiplied by number 2 and tan x squared, we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.